Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. I've got another video for you on Tesla, and this is a customer that we're asking him why he got this. We haven't done a video like this in 5-6 years on just talking to our customer about why they bought what they bought. But if you're thinking about it, here is Alicia introducing Brad. Camera shy. Hey Brad.
Hi.
So why is it that you got the Tesla?
Well, I bought the Tesla because I wanted all the toys, and at this point in time, this is the best car that you can buy that has autopilot and all electric.
And range is what now?
The range of this car is 310 miles
310
on
miles.
a full charge.
And so how many miles is that per hour? 60 or 80?
Well, if you want to, it would be, well, right now it's charging at 44 miles per hour.
Per hour?
So it'll take about 8 hours or less to charge.
If it's drained.
If it's completely drained, but typically I have not been draining it. I've only been driving it 30 or 40 miles a day.
Does it hurt it if you don't drain it all the way at least once a week?
No.
So you can
According to Tesla, no.
it's not like a cell phone then that you
It
gotta.
is not the same chemistry as cell phone batteries.
Got it. Okay. And so we wired this today for him. It's new Tesla pack. It looks like an alien life form here. As soon as Brad put that on, there's a little harness in here you got to connect. It is 240 volt, 3 wire, no neutral. If you're running a 6.3M cable, electricians, we did rephase that white and use that as the ground and just cap the other bare naked ground at a 10 gauge. Wired it in up above, came in here, 60 amp breaker. And Brad, do you care if I show him the inside of the car?
No, go ahead.
Really neat and futuristic. Boy, I love that new car smell. Makes me want to buy a car just because of that smell. So you may be wondering why, as an electrician, I care to even do a video on Tesla. I just like them. I think they've been out 10 years that I'm aware. When I lived in Highlands Ranch years ago, Park Meadows Mall, we saw the first version come out, probably back in 2009. I was really impressed with them. I think they're probably one of the best electric cars out there. But hey, you pay what you get for. You get what you pay for. But keep in mind, if you're gonna buy a car, I'll do another video on, is a electric car good for me and my house on my electric service. That's the biggest concern. Hate to see you buy a car and then your electrical service has to be changed. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining us. And Brad, thanks again for having us.
You're welcome.